Welcome, welcome. This is the Apron. How cute. Little apron magnet made out of plastic canvas. Just like our other videos, I'm going to show you how to start. You're going to take your main color or one of your colors. This is a 2-color magnet. And you'll anchor your tail of your yarn and start in any corner. And don't pull the anchor through. So you want to hold on to that in your first few stitches. And then you're going to basically make your stitches following the graph all the way through on one color and then your second color. Now you can see the pattern coming through. You're going to take your second collar and work that pattern again with your tail and all the way through, and then when you're finished you go ahead and overcast the outer edges. Now if you purchase the kit that's in the description, all the pattern and how to do all the stitches, etc. will be included in the kit, as well as a pre-cut plastic canvas, the colors you need, your needle, glue, magnet, scissors, everything. Just finish your overcast, glue the felt on the back and the magnet, put any embellishments on the front you'd like, and that's it. You have your little apron magnet. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.